Hello students. Today we'll do the class Newton's second law for a system of particles. Previously we did the classes on a system. So what we did previously on a center of mass and the center of gravity, both the classes we did previous classes. Now it is added what the second law. So what we did previously, the center of mass and the center of gravity. These two things we did. So now it is included, this two system will be included in the Newton's second law, and how far this will be applied in the physics and how we'll do the numerical mathematics on this particular chapter. So now what we'll get from the Newton's laws, second laws of motion. So Newton's second laws of motion, we previously knew about F is equal to ma. That was our definition. What we learned, it is F is equal to ma. This is second law. We previously learned about this. Now the question is, what is this F net? Now we will learn what is F net. Now we'll do each of the cases. We'll do the forces, we'll do the mass, and we'll do the acceleration. Three part. We'll do the forces, we'll do the mass one, and we'll do the acceleration. So three postulates we can write here, or you can understand from this Newton's second law of motion, second law, on the system of particles. Now what we did, this is a body. This is a body. What we did previous classes, M1, M2, like this. So this we did previous classes. And with this, it was added with G1, it was added with G2, G3, like this way. Later on, we'll do some force as well as the acceleration part. So what this we learned from this is simply thing that while F net we'll do F net. So what will be the F net? F net. What is this F net? Previously we did this. So F net is nothing, it's a net one. So F net will similarly like M A. So these are the combination. We will just learn that F is equal to M. Here we will learn this F net. So F net will be this. And what will be this? This acceleration, and added with this, we can write this part. It will be written like this way. You can write according to you. So this, just for this, it will be for the system of particles. So the system of particles, these are the things. Now the postulates are like this. Number one, what is F net? This is the first postulate. F net. F net is the part. That is equation number one. F net will be the part that while it is on the move, while it is the part this, while it is on this, it is on the move, while it is on the move, any part like this, it is any move. So this F net is obviously the external forces. So external forces will work this one. So no internal force will affect. No internal force will affect the F net. F net. So this is a vital part. This is a very vital part. So this internal force will be not included within this. So internal force will be not included. So these are the very vital part. Internal force will be not included. So similarly, we will what? So I'm wiping out. Similarly, number 2. What will be number 2? Similarly, we do what? It will do with the M also. So we did the F net. So it will do the M. So now, similar way, what we did previously, N. These are all combination of the total mass. The total mass. Inclusion of all the 2m3. So it will be total mass. So the question is total mass of the system. Total mass of this is the total mass of the total mass of the system. As because of we are learning about the system part. So now we are learning. Now this is the F net we learned. Now we will comes in the M. So no M mass inclusion of this. So this mass part, the remain the constant. So that is the so system said to be closed. So this mass, this M1, M2, M3 plus Mn will be constant. So got it? So these are the thing. So you have to learn this, so that the M remains a constant. The system is said to be closed. So these are the first two. Now just remain one is the acceleration part. So we'll just wipe out this to write the acceleration part here. Okay. So students, the main thing is this. While we have learned the center of mass or the center of gravity, so all the subjects, all the chapters are correlated actually. So you can relate this everything with every chapter we have learned. So as because this is general physics, this is all the part of general physics and deals with the Newton's laws of motion as well as a few other things. So it can be understood with the Newton's laws of motion and the inclusions of Newton's laws of motion. Now number 3. What is it? We did that F net, we did the mass, and now we will do the acceleration part. We'll do the acceleration part. Main thing is this: in the total system, in this total system of F net is equal to ma, there is no such information. There is no such information of acceleration within the system. So as it will get a whole as a acceleration full, no separate acceleration will be created within the system. So we can't, as previously we did M1, M2, here we can't say like A1 or A2 like this. So you have to understand these are the things very quietly and firmly. So this cannot be possible. So from this we can say there is no such information we'll get from this. So this equation 1 will not give you the informations of the within the system's accelerations. Okay, it will be the total things but not the separate. Okay, so these are the thing. Now Next, we'll do the proof. Fnet. Fnet. What we learnt about Fnet first? Tell this is M A com. This is the first part we learned from this. So this com, let's go for as a vector applications x, y and z. So this will be like this. We'll go to vector. We can apply vector also to get the realization. Fnet x. So this will be Fnet x. So Fnet y will be similarly. You can say this is the vector part. Vector components are proving like this way. F a com y and f net z is equal to m a com z. This is the vector components are proved like this way. Now another thing along with this, what we'll do, this Fnet x, Fnet y and Fnet z. So we'll have to prove the first equation number 1, what we learned previously. Equation number 1, keep it in mind, Fnet is equal to ma. Now we'll prove accordingly. How far it will go like this. Now we'll do like this way. M like this, R, the resultant part of the vector R. So it will be, what will be, we can write like this way. So it will be what? M1 R1 M2 R2 M3 R3 Mn Rn. Similarly, we did this R. What we did? Now we'll do the V. M1 V1 M2 V2 M3 V3 Mn Vn. So we did the R, we did the V, and we did the acceleration. M1 A1 M2 A2 M3 A3 Mn A. So what is the 1A 1B 1C? These are the 3 part. Now from this what we postulates, what will derive? Check it out. What will derive? What will derive? So from the previous what we did, now that from F MA com, everything whatever you got, F MV com, F MR com, these are the things we get. So now from here, so we will do the linear momentum from that system of particles. From that system of particles, if you get system of particles, so it will get a linear momentum. If it runs like this way, it moves like this way, we will get a linear momentum. So from this we get linear momentum. As we know previously so far, momentum means mass into velocity. Momentum means mass into velocity. So mass, if we denote mass with m and the velocity is the v. So from that F net, what will get that F net? What will be that F net? F net will be what? It will be dp by dt. What you know previously, P is equal to mv, the linear momentum. P is equal to mv. So what we can just plus this mv here. So this mass will be the constant part, so we will applying this d p m v by dt. So from this we'll get what? This mass will comes like this. So d dt of v. So this ddt of velocity, what will get? Again we'll get the acceleration. Velocity per time we'll get the acceleration. Is obviously it is an equivalent expression. So this is the thing. So we from here we came to here. Linear. So linear momentum of a system will be linear momentum of the system of the particle. Linear momentum of the system of particles will be what? So linear momentum of the system of the particle will be what? From this P we'll get this. From this P we'll get what? This P. One after one we can write like this way. P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 P. So this will be like this. Now this P we can plus this mv. So this will be what? It will be m1 v1 m2 v2 m3 v3. So this will like this. Equation number 1. So as well, so we go to the previous one. So this will be this P equal to m. This we add the total mass will be like if we add this. So let's make it the big M, the capital M, the total mass, and the velocity will be what? It will be v center of mass that has a system, overall system. So this will be v com. So as usual it has been proved. Number 2, it has been proved like this way. So from Newton's second law for the system of particles to linear momentum, it has been proved. Also it told the equivalent expressions. So these are the various operators with this mechanism. So this is momentum. Previously we did what? F net is equal to ma. You have to keep in mind all the things in a gamut, that where we have to apply which formula. These are the very vital things. Now we'll go from here to now from the systems of particles, Newton's second law, then we linear momentum. Now what we'll get from that? All comes accordingly. So it will come the force. So after that linear momentum, it automatically comes and the learning that force and momentum. So force and momentum will do now the force. And what we did previously, derivations of P. If we do the derivations of P, so automatically it will come with the dP by dt, what we learned previously. Now we replace that P with the mv. Similarly, we do the same thing here also. So this P will be what? M, we did it previously. M, V, COM, center of mass. We did it. Okay. Now, so you have to make an understand like this. On the system of particles, it is a correlated system of particles. Means the particles what we added as a single particle to a men, that is the complete that mass, that velocity, except the acceleration. Acceleration will not give you any further definition that within the that particles no acceleration will be created. All the acceleration will be from the external forces and the outside it will create it. So now this P mv com. So similarly as we did it, ddt of this P, automatically what will get? thus dt of mv come again, m will come d dt of v. This, so again what will get that f net. So this postulates will give you what, that m a. So everything will be like this. So again from this force and momentum, this. Now after this what will get, because all you can understand that all whatever the comes, everything are correlated. So we will go to the first classes like this, that f net will be this, f net will be this m a, this com, and this one will be dp by dt. These are the things, system of particles. So I think you got whatever I have tried to make you understand the system of particles with all the correlations with the Newton's second law to linear momentum, all are related to Newton's law of second law. So to force and momentum. Thank you.